BA BCom third semester examination vocational course cybersecurity. Important questions. Question number 1. What is phishing? A. Sending fake messages tricks people into sharing personal information. B. A type of online game. C. A way to fix computer viruses. D. Programming language. Answer A. Sending fake messages tricks people into sharing personal information. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of cyber talking? Question mark. A. Writing online blogs. B. Sending a job offer. C. Repeatedly messaging someone despite them asking to stop. D. Playing games together. Answer is C. Repeatedly messaging someone despite them asking to stop. Question number 3. How can we respond to negative or harmful content on a community platform? Question mark. A. Post. Option A. Post a sarcastic reply. B. Option B. Report it and avoid engagement. C. Argue aggressively. D. Share it wildly. Answer B. Report it and avoid engagement. Question number 4. Which of these action is a safe response to cyberbullying? Question mark. A. Create a fake account to fight back. B. Block and report the bully on the platform. C. Keep in secret. D. Share bullying post with others. Answer B. Block and report the bully on the platform. Question number 5. Which emotional hook is commonly used by groomers to build false trust with victims? Question mark. A. Giving homework assignments. B. Strict warming. C. Only you understand me. D. Sharing technical tutorials. Answer is C. Only you understand me. Question number 6. Who are often the actors behind cyber terrorism? Question mark. A. State sponsored hackers are extremist groups. B. Shopkeepers. C. College student doing homework. D. Digital artist. Answer A. State sponsored hackers are extremist group. Question number 7. Which types of online activity is most vulnerable to cyber threats? Question mark. A. Watching cartoons. B. Online banking. B. Online banking and digital transaction without security measures. C. Private browsing. D. Using offline calculators. Answer B. Online banking and digital transaction without security measures. Question number 8. Which critical sectors are often targeted in cyber terrorism? Question mark. A. Movie theaters. B. Power grids, airport, banks and government website. C. Schools online. D. Cafes. Answer B. Power grids, airport, banks and government websites. Question number 9. Which of the following is a common weapon or tools used in cyber terrorism? A. Firewall. B. YouTube. C. Antivirus. D. Malware and ransomware. Answer D. Malware and ransomware. Question number 10. What is the dark web? Question mark. A. The part of the internet is not indexed by regular search engines. B. A secret part of speech. C. A type of computer virus. D. A website kits. Answer A. The part of the internet is not indexed by regular search engines. Question number 11. What is the most common tool used to access the dark web? Question mark. A. Tor, the Onion router browser. B. WhatsApp. C. Google Chrome. D. Safari. आंसर है A. Tor, the Onion router browser. Question number 12. What type of human related crimes are often reported on the dark web? Question mark. A. Lost and found websites. B. Food delivery scams. C. Job interviews. D. Human trafficking, child exploitation, and illegal pornographic content. Answer D. Human trafficking, child exploitation, and illegal pornographic content. Question number 13. Why are software updated important? Question mark. A. They slow down devices. B. They only change UI. C. They fix security vulnerabilities. Answer D. They delete old data. Answer is C. They fix security vulnerabilities. Question number 14. Which of the following habits should be avoided? Question mark. A. Regular scanning for viruses. B. Using outdated software. C. Updating passwords. D. Taking backups. Answer is 3. B. Using outdated software. Question number 15. Email attachments should be opened only when A. They are from unknown senders. B. You are curious. C. They are expected and from known sources. D. They contain access files. Answer is C. They are expected and from known sources. Question number 16. Before clicking a link, you should A. Click instantly. B. Check the sender. C. Forward it to friends. D. Ignore warnings. आंसर है इस आंसर में थोड़ा सा डाउट है. A. Click instantly. Question number 17. Public Wi-Fi is A. Unsafe for banking. B. Always safe. C. Good for passwords. D. Best for confidential work. Answer B. Always safe. Question number 18. Screens lock such a pin are patterns help. A. Slow down phone. B. Protect device access. C. Delete photos. D. Increase RAM. Answer is B. Protect device access. Question number 19. A secure website starts with A. HTTP. B. MAILTO. C. FTP. G. HTTPS. आंसर है D. HTTPS. Question number 20. Scanware usually tricks user by A. Showing fake threat warnings. Option B. Silent monitoring keystrokes. C. Stealing credentials. D. Encrypting all files. Answer है A. Showing fake threat warnings. Question number 21. Which malware can self-replicate without human action? A. Virus. B. Worm. C. Trojan. D. Spyware. Answer is B. Worm. Question number 22. A computer virus can spread only when A. Threat is user action. B. The system is encrypted. C. The firewall is disabled. The data backup is removed. Answer A. Threat is user actions. Question number 23. Which stage of ransomware lock the files? Question mark. A. Infection. B. Encryption. C. Payload drops. D. Reorganizations. आंसर है बी. एनक्रिप्शन. Question number 24. Which of the following is most commonly used by attackers to deliver initial malware? Question mark. A. Corporate internet. B. Malicious email attachment. C. Google search result. D. Printer drivers. Answer B. Malicious email attachment. Question number 25. Why is system insulation important? Question mark. A. To increase platforms. B. To prevent lateral spread. C. To allow attackers to reconnect. D. To remove old backups. Answer B. To prevent lateral spread. Question number 26. Recovery from ransomware should start only after a attacker send a friendly messages. B. Infection is fully contained. C. Antivirus is uninstalled. D. Users run random scripts. Answer B. Infection is fully contained. Question number 27. Which of the following is an example of personal information? Question mark. Option A. Type of internet browser. Option B. Phone numbers and home address. Option C. Favorite food. Option D. Favorite movie. Answer option B. Phone number and home address. Question number 28. Digital extortion on social media usually begins when attackers option A. Ask for game recommendations. Option B. Gain access to private photo chats or accounts. Option C. Request to join online study groups. Option D. Offer emoji and filters for free. Answer B. Gain access to private photo chats or accounts. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example for phishing attack? Question mark. Option A. Unexpected emails asking for login details. Option B. Downloading updates from official sites. Option C. Using storage passwords. Option D. Logging out after users. Answer A. Unexpected emails asking for login details. Question number 13. Which malware hides deep inside the operating system to avoid detection? Question mark. A. Rootkits. B. Adware. C. Scanware. D. Virus. Answer A. Rootkit. Question number 31. Cyber stalking mostly target A. Banking servers. B. Government databases. C. Individuals for monitoring harassment and intimidation. D. ATM machine. Answer is C. Individuals for monitoring harassment or intimidation. Question number 32. Interpol purple notice is issued to option A. Arrest criminals without warrants. Option B. Monitor missing children. Option C. Issue travel detention. Option C. Share information on new cybercrime techniques. Answer D. Share information on new cybercrime techniques. Question number 33. Which section of the IT Act 2000 deals with identity theft? Question mark. A. Section 66. C. B. Option B. Section 66. F. Option C. Section 67. Option D. Section 70. Answer option A. Section 66C. Question number 34. According to FBI IC3 reports, which attacks cause the highest financial loss worldwide? Question mark. A. Cryptocurrency mining. Option B. Social media hacks. Option C. Game account hacking. Option D. Business emails compromise. Bracket BEC bracket close. Answer A. D. Business email compromise. Bracket BEC bracket close. Question number 35. Social engineering succeed primarily because option A. Human psychology is easier to exploit than technical system. Question number B. Computers are weak machines. Option C. Hackers don't like technical attacks. D. Internet speed is very high. Answer A. Human psychology is easier to exploit than technical systems. Question number 36. Identity theft occurs when option A. A person steals hardware from an office. Question number option B. A user deletes their own emails. Option C. Hackers attacks only government websites. Option D. Someone steal another person's information for misuse. Answer D. Someone steal another person's information for misuse. Question number 37. Which is the most effective organization level defense against social engineering? Question mark. A. Option A. Removing computers from office. Option B. Sharing password in Teams for transparency. Option C. Allowing USB drives in all systems. Option D. Security awareness training for employees. Answer D. Security awareness training for employees. Question number 38. Which sign often indicates online grooming? Option A. Which about hobbies. Option B. Asking for private photos or secrets. Option C. Sending memes. Option D. Talking about school. Answer B. Asking for private photo and or secret. Question number 39. A common red flag in romance scam in A. Proper grammar. B. Asking for urgent money. C. Normal conversation. D. Sharing hobbies. Answer B. Asking for urgent money. Question number 40. Crypto scam promotion often promise A. Low returns. B. Graduated high profits. C. Normal market growth. D. Slow investment. Answer B. Graduated high profit. Guaranteed high profit. Question number 41. Reverse image search helps to A. Find phone numbers. B. Check if profile photos are stolen. C. Fix image quality. D. Make new photos. Answer B. Check if profile photo are stolen. Question number 42. A behavioral red flag for a fake profile is A. Posting daily live photos. B. Messaging many people are same lines. C. Having old posts. D. Having friends and family. Answer B. Messaging many people are same lines. Question number 43. Trusted contact in account recovery are A. Option A. random people online. Option B, friends choose by you to help recover your accounts. Option C, police officer. Option C, tax support agents. Option B, friends chosen by you to help recover your account. Question number 44. If the hacker changed your password, you should A. Give up. B. Use forget password recovery steps. C. Create a new emails. D. Log out from all devices. Answer B. Option B. Use forget password recovery steps. Question number 45. These attacks happens because people often. Option A. Use the same password everywhere. Option B. Play games. Option C. Travel a lot. Option D. Forget usernames. Answer option A. Use the same password everywhere. Question number 46. Hackers get leaked password from. Option A. Movies. B. Option B. Data breaches on other websites. Option C. YouTube. Option D. Weather apps. Answer B. Data breaches on other websites. Question number 47. Fake customer care scam usually asks for A. TV channel list. B. Your OTP or PIN. C. Food orders. D. Movie tickets. Answer B. Your OTP or PIN. Question number 45. A. Data leak happens when. Option A. Data is safely backed up. Option B. User information is exposed without permission. Option C. Apps update themselves. Option D. Users change password. Answer B. Option B. User information is exposed without permission. Question number 49. An academic leak exploit. Option A. Teacher salaries. Option B. Emails and password of users. Option C. Exam papers. Option D. Course fees. Answer B. Option B. Emails and passwords of users. Question number 50. A dangerous QR code often. Option A. Opens unknown suspicious links. Option B. Shows a wallpaper. Option C. Opens camera. Option D. Play music. Answer है A. Opens unknown suspicious. Question number 51. QR code identity theft can happen when. Option A. Scammers replace original QR with a fake one. Option B. You can school ID cards. Option C. You can TV screens. Option D. You can event banners. Answer option A. Option A. Scammers replaces original QR with fake one. Question number 52. A fake pretending to be from a bank asking for OTP is known as A. Farming. B. Wishing. C. Surfing. D. DOS. Answer B. Wishing. Question number 53. Which of the following is secure? Details payment method? Question mark. A. Using official banking apps. Option B. Installing random APK files. Option C. Exchanging cards details on pops up ads. Option D. Using shared accounts. Answer है A. Using official banking apps. Question number 54. Fake shopping websites mainly aim to. Option A. Sell original products. Option B. Steal money and personal information. Question number C. Improve customer सर्विस, ऑप्शन डी प्रोवाइड कैशबैक। आंसर है ऑप्शन बी स्टील मनी एंड पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 55, if fake banking website has HTTPS enable, which method can still help detect it? Question mark. A. Option A, check the padlock symbol only. Option B, verify the certificate issuer and domain spelling. Option C, test loading speed. Option D, use public Wi-Fi for testing. Answer है ऑप्शन बी verify the certificate issuer and domain spelling. Question number 56, what the core reason UPI frauds happen when user click unknown payment link? Question mark. A, server error. B, app crash. C, phishing and social engineering. D, network delay. Answer है C, ऑप्शन C, phishing and social engineering. Question number 57, what is the key? Option 57, what is the legal body in India? Legal body in India, the private provides technical help in cyber attacks and phishing. Question mark. A, RBI. B, MEITY. C, CERTIN. D, UIDAI. आंसर है C, CERTIN. Question number 58, how can protect your mobile from SIM swapping? Question mark. A, option A, use basic phone. Option B, share number online. Option C, set SIM lock and telecom pin. Option D, never change your phone. Answer is C, set SIM lock and telecom pin. Question number 59, how can schools and community contribute to online safety? Question mark. A, by organize awareness programs and digital literacy training. Option B, by letting children handle issue alone. Question number is option C, by banning internet use. Option D, by blocking all websites. Answer है A, by organize awareness programs and digital literacy training. Question number 60, what should you do first if you are someone you know is cyberbullying? Question mark. A, option A, retaliate with mean comments. Option B, ignore it completely. C, delete your account immediately. Option D, save evidence and report to a trusted adult and authority. Answer है D, save evidence and report to a trusted adult and authority. हमारी इस वीडियो में 1 से लेके 60 तक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आता है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारे चैनल पर ऐसे ही और भी सब्जेक्ट की वीडियो उपलब्ध है, आप चाहें तो उन्हें विज़िट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।